Hello, my subscribers and other people's EAS fans. Okay, if you follow me on Facebook, you will know that I got an immediate evacuation yesterday, November 21st, 2012. Now, I'm not going to be able to upload the video from the camera in a while, but what I can do is I can just film it right off of my camera, and then that way you guys can get a little sneak peek. I will upload the whole thing, seeing how evacuation immediates are pretty rare.
Fire Department is directing citizens and residents in the area of US 10 and 60th Avenue to avoid travel along US 10 near the area, and for residents within 1/2 mile of 60th Avenue and US 10 to leave their homes as a result of a fuel truck accident. A temporary reception center has been established at the Everett Housing Commission located at 601 West 1 St. Street in the city of Everett. Stay tuned to media sources such as local television, radio, and NOAA weather radio for further instructions and issuance of an all-clear message. Further information can be obtained by dialing to 11. Holy shit!
So there's that. Figured upload that for now so you guys can get a little bit of a sneak peek. I'll see you guys later.